So today we're doing a little video in regards to galactagogues because I get a lot of questions asked like, how do they actually work? Like, what happens in your body that it's able to signal your body to make more milk? Well, it's really, really simple, and it'll make a lot more sense after I kind of explain it, because prolactin is the hormone that is responsible for signaling your brain to make milk. And in galactagogues, there's a lot of compounds that work the same way as prolactin. So essentially, it's kind of like the same thing, and you're eating this amazing foods that have this amazing ingredient, and it's able to work the same way as the hormone prolactin. So that's kind of the science behind it. The other thing too is that you can find these galactagogues in a lot of household items that you probably have in your pantry. It's nothing, although the word sounds sophisticated, it's not like you have to go out there and find it in like some really exotic fruit or something like that. But simple things like oats, brewer's yeast, chia seeds, almond butter, things like that, they are all high in galactagogues. And there's lots of herbs as well that are super high in galactagogues, like fennel and moringa and nettle. Those are like super herbs that are really, really rich with galactagogues. So those are not so common to find, and the quantities and things like that might be a little bit tricky to figure out how much you need to like put into a recipe or a smoothie or something like that. So trying a supplement that is a lactation supplement that contains a lot of these herbs, like the Mummy's Love lactation and energy support supplement, is a great idea. It has 4 of the main ingredients that we recommend for milk production, and it also has shatavari, which is great for balancing your hormones, especially when you're in postpartum. So it has, I'm going to kind of mention some of the ingredients that it has. It has moringa, nettle, shatavari, and fennel, which I mentioned. Moringa is also especially good because moringa also helps to give you energy, which as a breastfeeding mom who's been breastfeeding round the clock, including nighttime, you definitely need some extra energy. The other thing that I wanted to mention is if you are interested in doing the supplement way, because it's just so easy, you just kind of like drink them in the morning with a little bit of water and that's it. And if you find that you need a little bit more, then you can take an extra dosage in the afternoon, but it's super simple. You don't have to be figuring out like recipes and things like that, going out to buy ingredients. You just always have them with you. And the great thing is that you see pretty much an increase in your milk supply overnight. So that is awesome. If you want to add it to a juice or a smoothie, you can. The capsule, I'm going to show you, kind of comes apart really easily. It's a gel cap. It's gluten-free. Okay, so you can just kind of like take it out apart like this and then just dump it into a smoothie or something like that. The other thing that I wanted to mention was make sure that you consult with your healthcare provider, with your IBCLC, to make sure that you are getting all the support that you need, that you have all the health requirements that you need to be able to make sure that you have a healthy and abundant milk supply. Remember that there's a lot of stuff going on in your body after you've delivered a baby. Postpartum is something that we need to take care of, that we need to embrace, and the recovery of your body. So it's really important that we do seek help and support from our healthcare providers. I hope all of this makes sense, and I hope that you're able to share your stories in regards to galactagogue recipes that you've had. If you're interested, I'm also going to include the link right here for a free PDF that I have with lots of galactagogue recipes that you'll find in your pantry very, very easily, and are super yummy, nutritious, and packed with full ingredients that will help you during your postpartum recovery.